Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, I'm going to take you through step by step on how to add or on how to use the VLookup in your Excel sheet. And first we need to understand what is this VLookup. And VLookup is a powerful function in Excel that will search the value in the first column of a range or a table or array and returns a corresponding value in the same row from a specified column. The V in the VLookup stands for vertical, indicating that indicating that it searches vertically, that is downwards in a table. Okay, I had already prepared a sample of this. For example, if you look at what I have, there goes my table. This is the table. Then we have the subject. The subject, we have all the subjects you can see. Try maybe to zoom. So we have the subject, then we have the category, and we have the grade. Now, assuming that you have a list of subjects and you want to get the specific grade that was scored by maybe a student, or so you can come up with a VLookup where you will have the category for subject and the grade. For example, if I type a subject like English, then I press enter, you can see that this particular person scored A. And as you can see from the table, the English was scored A. Okay, let's pick another subject like Arabic. Then I press enter. As you can see, he also scored an A, a grade A. Okay, let's maybe come up with another one. For example, physics. Now for the physics is 6, then the enter. As you can see from the table, the person scored E, and from the lookup, it has shown that this particular person scored a E, a grade E. Okay, so let me show now to go about it. So what I have, let's assume that I want the first this to be the subject. We have the subject and we have the category. Assuming that those are the two things that you want to extract, subject and the category. Just as I've done on the above, where I have the subject and have the grade. Okay, so let me come up with the formula. So step number one, always come up with always all the formulas or the function in an Excel always start with an equal sign followed by the arguments. Okay, our argument should be in brackets. So we have VLookup, then brackets. As you can see, we have the lookup value, then we have the table, then we have the column index number, then we have the range lookup. So the lookup value, this one, should be the cell that is above this one, where you will type whatever you want to look for, the value that you want to look for. Then followed by comma. Then the comma, the next part you have is the table array. Now the table array will include the table where you want to search the data from. So there goes my table, which is from cell A3 to C15. You can either highlight or you write it normal, the manual. As you can see, maybe I can type, which is A3 followed by colon. Then it should end up to this corner, which is C15, which is C10, just like that. So what I have from this point, to the corner here, which is C15. Okay, after that, the next part is the column index, the column index number. Now, the column that I want to use, which is this one. This is the column that I'm interested with, the column B, this one. So for column B, you count the number. So we have number 1. This is our number 1, number 2, and number 3. So since the column, the vertical column that I'm interested with is at number 2, I will write 2 there. Then followed by, we have 2, we can either true. For true, it will approximate the match. But for false, it will give you the exact match. Now, since I want to get the exact match, what I will do, I will double click the false. Then I will close my function. Then after that, I will press the enter button. Okay, let's try to see whether our function is working. Okay, let me pick for a subject like English. So I will type the English above here, which is English. Okay, then after you type, you press the enter button. As you can see, the formula is correctly working. Whenever you type the subject, then you press the enter, it will give you the specific category that subject is in. Okay, let's try another category. Maybe you can try history. Now for the history, as you can see, history, this one. Okay, let me try to, so it's an humanity, and you can see it has given us humanity. So that is how the VLookup works. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and in case you have not subscribed, please do so. Thank you and have a lovely day.